na Iceera Ria kuria bũrũri-inĩ wa Mozambique. Iceera-inĩ rĩrĩa arĩ rĩa kĩwĩra kũringana na mũtongoria wa bũrũri nĩ agĩthiĩte na mbere na kuga atĩ na gũteterithia wiheani wa thirikari ya Kenya wa kwagĩrithia wonjoria gatagatĩ ka mabũrũri ma merĩ ma Mozambique oro ũndũ ũmwe na Kenya. Mũthenya wa ira nĩ aragĩkorirwo akiuga atĩ nĩ magĩkorwo makĩehereria mĩhĩnga ĩrĩa ĩkoragwo ĩrĩho gatagatĩ kana ĩrĩa ĩrigaragĩrĩria wonjoria oro ũndũ ũmwe na ũthii gatagatĩ ka mabũrũri maya merĩ ma Kenya na Mozambique.
We agreed with the leadership of Parliament here that under the leadership of President Nyusi, they will also expedite the instrument that will bring COMESA, SADC, and EAC into one trading bloc under the tripartite free trade area agreement. Very confident that shortly we shall reform our continental body so that we have a body that is fit for purpose and that can serve the people of our continent adequately. My visit has enabled us to strengthen our friendship and to deepen the bilateral ties between Kenya and Mozambique. We've had the opportunity to reflect together, and we took a bit of time yesterday to review our common position in considering many emerging challenges and opportunities, and reaffirm our shared commitment to extend our highly dynamic and fruitful partnership to address many aspects of mutual interest for the benefit of our people and our nations. We must redesign and we must recast and we must re-engineer our place, that this is not a continent of problems. This is not a continent where we are saddled with a victim mentality. This is a continent that can provide solutions to the global challenges that we have.
Na ruo rũhonge rwa kũramata marĩa matũrigicĩirie gũkũ bũrũri